The issue of abortion rights could be on the November ballot.
Supporters of a proposed constitutional amendment say it took them 8 months to reach their goal. Now, they needed around 892,000 signatures to bring the issue directly to voters. News 6's Brian Didlake shows us the major impact this will have on this year's election and what's next.
We just reached a historic milestone here in Florida.
A month ahead of the deadline, Lauren Brenzel, a campaign director for Floridians Protecting Freedom, shared they already surpassed their goal in signatures to qualify to put abortion access on the 2024 ballot. This comes after the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, erasing federal abortion right protections and transferring that decision to individual states. We brought you coverage soon after protests broke out at that time here in Central Florida and nationwide.
Here we value life from conception to the casket.
Initially, the law intended to ban abortions after 15 weeks, but last year lawmakers expanded to ban them after 6 weeks.
We believe that politicians interfering with private medical decisions around abortion are dangerous, and we cannot let politicians have the ultimate say on this issue.
The proposed amendment reads, no law shall prohibit, penalize, delay, or restrict abortion before viability or when necessary to protect the patient's health as determined by the patient's health care provider.
We've got to give some value to that life and not allow an abortion.
Florida Attorney General Ashley Moody filed a 50-page brief asking the state Supreme Court to keep the proposed abortion rights amendment off the ballot, arguing the language is misleading. Oral arguments are scheduled on February 7th in front of the Florida Supreme Court.
What message does this say for the total ban states that we're surrounded by here in Florida?
What this does communicate is, once again, it doesn't matter if you are a red state or a blue state or a purple state. People do not want to see abortion bans. This is wildly unpopular policy.
And now, should the measure make it on the ballot and be approved by at least 60% of Florida voters, the amendment would undo the current 15-week ban on abortions. We're in the newsroom. Brian Didlake getting results. News 6.